Did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on, it's scary. I'm not where you left me at all. So, if you don't wanna see me dancing with somebody, if you wanna believe.
Okay, so from the pictures, you could see that we added the red food coloring water to the Volcano. So next, we're gonna put 6 drops of dish soap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, whoop, bubbles. And then, and this is my son, Jake. He's helping because he loves science. Then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So 1, 2. Okay? 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Now, when we add the vinegar, that's when we get the explosion because of the chemical reaction. So should Miss Candice add it or should we let Jake add it? I think we'll let Jake add it. All right, hold on, I gotta get a cup. All right, ready? So it doesn't really matter how much vinegar, just however much you want to pour in there. So let's count it down. 3, 2, 1, and go. Ah! And there we have it. There is the volcano. Yay! Look at it foaming everywhere. That, my friends, is a chemical reaction.